Hi. Today we are discussing uh, task level properties, that is data transfer task. So if we go here task, the data transfer task is nothing but it is a simple one-to-one load. It is a simple one-to-one load we can do by using the data transfer task. So move data from source target with simple filters. Click on this one and create. So here we are having a data transfer task, and we select our runtime environment here, and we go to next. Select the source. Source is laptop Oracle underscore SRC connection. Here we select the object. So object is obviously employee table, EMP employees. Click on OK. So we are having here data preview, filter, sorting. So we are having all the things, and we can, if we want, we can do it. We go to next here, and if you want to second source, if you want to give second source, you can give here. Click on yes, and then we go for the connection again. Here we can do by using the second source. We can do the join. So we can do the join here. Okay, like this we will do select and we go next, and here we select the target connection, and we are doing here, we are also having insert, update, upset, delete, data driven, all are there in the data transfer task. So like our one-to-one load, so this can be do in the stage load. So when we are doing in the real time, we do stage load, then we use this data transfer task. Okay, like this we will select insert, and we will select the target table, and the target table is T underscore employees. So EMP T underscore employees. Click on OK. Truncate target and click on next. The field mapping is here. So we see here the field mapping. It will automatically map, and click on next. So runtime options, we can give schedule. We can run the schedule. We can give the email notification and click on save and click on run and go to my jobs. See the properties and how it is processing. Here we say we are having select to start from uh, T underscore T underscore employees. Okay, we go to data integration service and see whether it is a process. So here 106 records are processed. We see here we can download the session log also, and we see the session log, and whenever it is loaded or not, like any uh, you can see here. So like that it will process, and we are having the DBMS is Oracle, and we having port number and everything in this. So here, so under T underscore employees, we are having these fields, and we are inserted into target table. So here we see inserted rows, requested 106, applied 106, and affected 106. So it is loaded. Like this, we will see the our session log properties, and go to select to start from T underscore employees. You see here. So we go for count of rows. So 106 records are stored. Okay, so this data transfer task is used for simple one-to-one load. Okay, we'll see in the next coming session power center task as well as dynamic task is there now. Okay, we will see one by one. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe and like.